In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of deleting transaction history on Revolut app. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account using the affiliate link in the description below. Deleting transaction history on Revolut could help maintain privacy and reduce clutter. It may also be useful for clearing outdated or irrelevant information. So, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, go to the home page and scroll down slightly to view your transaction history. After that, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings page. From there, find and click on the Appearance option, which allows you to adjust the look and feel of the app. Once you're in the Appearance page, tap on Interface, which opens a set of options related to the app's layout. In the interface window, you will see a setting called Transactions on Home Screen. Set this option to 1, which ensures that only your most recent transaction is displayed on the home screen. After making this change, return to the home page of the app, and you will see that only the latest transaction is visible, while all previous transactions are hidden. That's all there is to it. You've successfully adjusted your Revolut app to show just one transaction on the home screen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget, you can sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.